Hi, Thelma here. Today is day one of my 30-day calisthenics challenge. It's a 30-day challenge, and what I want to achieve at the end of it is to be able to do 10 full pull-ups on the bar and 1 up and over. At the moment I can't even do 1 pull-up, so I'm hoping in 30 days I'll have enough strength built up to be able to do that. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using the pull-up bar behind me and the parallel bars over there, and I'm just going to do a gauge of where I'm at, what I can and can't do, and so I can work from there to be my baseline. So I think I'm going to start off doing some press-ups. So that's 5 press-ups. That's really poor, I'm really embarrassed. I'm using my Gym Boss timer. Just going to do 1 minute timers just so I can count on to see how many minutes I've done. So that's press-ups. I'm going to try and do some pull-ups. Yeah, it's unsuccessful on that. This is really embarrassing, isn't it? That's 1 minute gone. I feel really tired already. In terms of aerobic stuff, I cycle every day. I do 10 kilometres cycle every day. But obviously my physical strength is really embarrassingly poor. I might try and do some monkey bar stuff now. I think I was cheating quite a lot on that. It's mainly leg strength and swinging rather than monkey bars. It's got TRX here. I'm going to use this maybe for some pull-ups on my arms, like this. It's 2 minutes gone. So that's 10 of those. That was by far the easiest thing I've done so far. Must be stronger at those. That's 12 of those leg raises. It's really hard to try and do those without swinging too much. So I'm sure the swinging motion actually affects how hard your abs are working. I'm just not sure how to not swing when I do it. So I think that's about it for the pull-up bar. Just going to turn the cameras off, move over to the parallel bars. See you in a minute. So it's been 4 minutes since I finished on the pull-up bar. I've just moved all the cameras around and it's about to start on the parallel bars now. I'm going to have a little play around. Hopefully it'll be a bit easier on these bars because they're closer to the ground. I can use more of my legs to support my weight at the moment. So let's have a play. I've lost count on those tricep dips, but I think it was probably about 20 of those I managed. That's 12 knee raises. I'm going to do some more, but my shoulders are really aching. My abs are okay. It's mainly my shoulders. Whew. So the gym boss says we are 10 minutes in. 4 of those minutes was when I was messing around changing the cameras over, so I've only actually done 6 minutes so far, and I'm feeling pretty out of breath, like my heart's racing. It's harder than it looks. The reason I'm practicing those ones, because when I get good enough to be able to do pull-ups, I want to be able to do the up and overs. So I'm thinking just practicing that movement there, hopefully get my flexibility up, my strength up, so once my strength improves I'll be able to do them. Oh, my arms are burning. That might look really easy to you guys that do a lot of calisthenics or just a lot stronger than I am, but because I can't do the full pull-ups yet, I thought if I've got some of my weight supported on the other bar, I can try and do like half pull-ups just to get my strength up. And they're really tiring. I just doing the underhand grip then. I'm going to try now with the overhand grip, but let's give my arms a little bit of a rest. So that's 10 of the wider overhand grips. You may have noticed my little gloves here. I'm not really sure if they're going to be of any help or not, but I thought I'd wear these and it maybe might help protect my hands a little bit. Just thinking then, if I fall off this, it's going to be like a you've been frayed moment, isn't it? So might make some money. I am actually trying to crunch up, but obviously I'm a bit over ambitious with this. That's one. Two. Three. So that's 3 of those. Obviously, my abs need working on 2. I didn't say before, but I haven't done any kind of like gymnastics before, as you can probably tell. I can't even do a cartwheel. So I just wanted to see if people with no gymnastic background at all are able to do all this cool calisthenics stuff, because a lot of it does look like gymnastics, and so hopefully in 30 days I'll be like a really good gymnast too. So I can only do 4 press-ups on the bars. That's my knees down as well. So I think I'm going to have to really start repping out some press-ups, and just because that's just embarrassing. So what's the time saying? 18 minutes in, and I think that's about it I can do at the moment. So as I said, this is day 1. This is my base level of what I'm starting from. As you can see, I'm not that strong body weight stuff. Done 18 minutes. I've probably done, I'd say, quite a good range of exercises. Done some ab exercises, some biceps, triceps, chest, back, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2, and hopefully things will start improving. See you then.
As always, folks, take some time to click the links. Find us on social media, and thanks for watching.